in my opinion, and there are many opinions
Right.
here, as many as there are definitions for intelligence. In my opinion, every time we actually are inspired by biological intelligence, and that might be human intelligence, in writing code that has a level of independence in solving problems and autonomy, we're talking about artificial intelligence.
So independent problem solving
Yes.
is a pretty good place to start.
And inspired by natural intelligence.
So why is that it's inspired by natural intelligence? And when we say natural intelligence, we mean our species, human beings' brains. Why is it that we look to our brains as, sort of the gold standard?
Nature solves problems, at least that's the way we look at it, and it solves problems in a very efficient and generalizable manner. And the human brain is a very good example of that. But it's, in my opinion, intelligence is not restricted only to the human intelligence.
Sure.
I think through time, our species, life itself, actually solves problems.
This whole Darwin thing that's been going around.
Through evolution.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And simply by, surviving. And if we can codify that, we can solve very, very difficult problems. Problems that are even more difficult than problems that our mind, actually, our brain solves today.
Hey everybody, let me take a moment to tell you about a product I love and use every day. It's video hosting from Wistia, W-I-S-T-I-A, Wistia. It is awesome. And who uses it? MailChimp, Moz, HubSpot, Zendesk, Herman Miller, Sam Adams, and of course, This Week in Startups. They've got 140,000 customers, and they are growing like a weed. Now, why do we use it? Well, if we use a free service like YouTube, we have all YouTube's ads and collaterals and garbage, and it looks terrible, and it's not customizable. So it looks bad, and everything that YouTube does is in service of increasing their metrics, not your metrics. Well, what are your metrics as a business? Well, for me, it's collecting emails. 2, it's having people on my domain, my site, making it look beautiful, not having that ugly thing that comes up at the end of like a YouTube video that shows all the different videos of other people that I don't want to send my users to. I want, when the video ends, for them to watch another episode of This Week in Startups. I can control all of that with Wistia. That's why I use it. And it works perfectly on Facebook and Twitter with the cards, and you can play it natively on those platforms. It's gorgeous. And it'll give you a ton of support. You want to take control of your video. Video is a huge asset, and you want to do it professionally. The analytics program is amazing. You can see on a user-by-user basis how long they're watching, and if they rewound and watch a section twice, all this kind of great stuff. Tons of support, super easy to use. And it's built, a lot of their new tools are built for marketers, so collecting emails and that kind of stuff. And you don't have YouTube or Vimeo doing that kind of stuff. Those platforms have their own goals, which is selling ads and keeping people on their platforms and stealing those users from your platform. Start your 2-week trial for free on Wistia, wistia.com/twist. No credit card is required because they're so confident that you're going to love the service like I do. And you can upload as many videos as you like. Wistia.com/twist, W-I-S-T-I-A, Wistia.com/twist. I love the product. I love the team. And it's been fantastic for us. We got control of our own videos again, and we are now collecting emails every day, dozens of emails every week, hundreds of emails every year, thousands of emails, to build our direct relationship. That is, not have an intermediary between it, telling us how we can talk to you, our fans. We have a direct relationship. It's brilliant. I love Wistia. All right, let's get back to this amazing episode.